Hi, do you have $300 and thinking about how to start multiplying them? So today I'm starting with the minimum comfortable amount for trading to show you how to use risk management for good results, and at the same time I will use my proven strategy to show you how you can use it in practice. Make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to learn how to trade like I do, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There I share secrets and teach how to increase your deposit wisely without losing it. Don't miss your chance, link in the description. Let's start by setting up the moving averages. The first one will have a period of 6. This will be our first moving average and in light colors. You can choose green, light blue, yellow, doesn't matter, just make sure it's light. So the second moving average will have a period of 14. This will be our slow moving average and I will set it to black. Okay, you can also darken it. So the third indicator will be Parabolic SAR, and for it we'll leave acceleration as the default and set the maximum acceleration to 0.3. This is the value that suits us. Done. Now we set the 15-second time frame and the expiration time to 1 minute. Since my balance is currently $300, I will open with 10%, which is $30, and immediately the market situation looks good, so I will go for a downward trade here. As you can see, our moving averages have crossed. The light first line crossed the dark line from top to bottom, which signals the downward movement, and our Parabolic SAR this case will confirm this signal. So in general, this is the standard application of moving averages, but the values are tailored for the 15-second time frame. With confirmation from the Parabolic SAR, we see many points showing the straight of sellers, indicating that downward trend should continue, which we are already seeing as the trade goes in confidently with only 10 seconds left. And yes, the trade closes in the positive, and that's a $20 profit trade. So let's move on. I will set $32 now. All trades will be at 10% of the balance. Now I'm looking for a good pair so that everything works smoothly. Okay, here's one. I will go for an upward trend for $32. We can see that the price is growing confidently, so just let me mark this with a trend line. So it's a very strong and steady upward movement here. Okay, what do we see with the moving averages? The price tried to break through this line, but we see that buyers were stronger and there is no signal for a downward movement. Our white first line went higher and the SAR confirmed this movement. That's why I entered the trade for an upward direction, and the signal works perfectly. After 10 seconds, if all goes well, we will get another profit, guys. Entering with 10% to show that with $300 you can start working. The trade closes in the positive, so we minimize risk by opening trades at 10%. Now the next pair has a clear upward signal for $35. So I open the trade and immediately see the price moving up. Nothing complicated here, just the same crossing of lines and confirmation from our Parabolic SAR. There is a beautiful upward movement with clean full green candles, which indicates a strong dominance of buyers. This is a very good sign for an upward trend, so let's remove this one. Guys, I want to remind you about risk management because 10% is actually the maximum you should go for in a trade. It might look tempting to enter with your entire deposit, but that's always risky. And if I lose this 10%, I can easily recover, but this trend enters in the positive. Plus $32 and we can open one more trade. Okay, now with $37, with $38, let's find the right pair. So something doesn't look right with these pairs. So I will remove the unnecessary ones and add some new pairs. Now we can open a trade here. I will go for a downward trade for $38. The situation here looks quite nice. There was a resistance line that we broke through, and since we have broken through, the price should continue moving down. We also have a traditional signal from the moving averages confirmed by the SAR, but the real signal here is breakthrough of the line, which tells us the trade will be successful. So if we had hit that line and the price had gone up, it wouldn't have been pleasant for us, guys. Even with a slight pullback, look at how confidently the price is moving down. This means the analysis was absolutely correct. In just 10 seconds, we will get another profit. So let's see. Yes, I was right. Now the balance is $413, which is almost 40% of the initial deposit with practically no risk. Okay guys, 6 minutes and I turned $300 into $413, and all thanks to sticking risk management and using the strategy with 10% risk per trade. This isn't magic, it's real trading with proven strategies. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.